Welcome to today's presentation on Academic Skills course. This course will help you build the foundation for a successful academic journey. From learning how to study effectively, to mastering academic writing, to understanding integrity at university, we'll cover all the essential tools you need to thrive. This session begins with a brief overview of the course, including its objectives and prerequisites. After that, we'll look at the course content and highlight the key elements of academic foundations and success. The course Academic Skills is designed for first-year undergraduate students in materials science. It's a discovery unit, taught once a week for 1.5 hours, and assessed through a final exam at the end of the semester. So, what are the main objectives? By the end of this course, you will learn how to study and work effectively at the university level. Develop reading and writing skills on both print and digital media. Practice critical methods for note-taking and synthesis. Gain experience in communication, both oral and written, and prepare for future research activities. Before starting, what do you need? The only requirement is a good command of English. No technical knowledge is required, and the course is open to all first-year students. Now let's look at the structure of the course. It is divided into 6 main parts: documentation, learning to read, note-taking, writing a synthesis report, preparing an oral presentation, and training the future researcher. Each of these sections builds step by step on the previous one. We begin with the foundations, academic English. At university, writing is the main way students show their understanding of concepts. Academic English is the formal style expected in this context. For many, mastering this style feels like learning a new language. That's why strong reading and listening skills are essential to support academic writing. But skills alone are not enough. Your goals matter too. Every decision you make, consciously or unconsciously, is guided by priorities. Academic success comes from setting clear goals and staying motivated. We use SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. With priorities and realistic deadlines, you can manage your studies effectively. Another pillar of success is integrity. Academic integrity is the foundation of university life. It starts with finding reliable resources, continues with accurate note-taking, and ends with honest communication. It means acknowledging sources, citing ideas correctly, avoiding plagiarism, following the required referencing style, and ensuring all your submitted work is truly your own. Beyond grades and diplomas, university also helps you grow essential life and career skills. Among them are critical thinking, communication, teamwork, digital literacy, leadership, professionalism, career management, and intercultural fluency. These competencies will support not only your studies, but also your future professional life. Finally, let's talk about some of the main enemies of success at university. Behaviors that can seriously threaten your academic progress. First, plagiarism. This means presenting someone else's work as if it were your own. Second, contract cheating. This happens when a student pays another person to complete an assignment, sit an exam, or write a paper on their behalf. Third, collusion. Working together with others but then submitting the shared work as if it were entirely your own. And finally, fabrication or falsification of information. This means inventing data or altering results in order to produce false findings. These practices not only harm your learning, but also put your academic integrity at risk. And that brings us to the end of this overview of academic skills. As you can see, this course is more than just a requirement. It's a toolbox for your entire academic journey. By mastering these skills, setting clear goals, and maintaining integrity, you'll be well prepared for success at university and beyond.